So once you have the Java IDE installed on your smartphone, just open the app and then tilt your smartphone in a horizontal fashion so that it's easy for you to type in the details. Let's start with creating a project. On the top right side you can see a file option. Click on the file option, select new Java console project. So here we need to create a new Java project, we need to give the details like the project, the package, and the class names. So because this project we are going to add three numbers and find the sum total out of it. Let's name it as sum total project. Sum total this sum total is the project name. The class name will package name will mention it as sum total package. The class name will mention it as sum total class. So likewise we can see all the details entered. Just click OK and you are ready to go with your first Java project. On the very bottom you can see the sum total class.java here. So open that sum total class.java. So it will create a template of some of the program which is already done by the editor. All the program that we are going to do is between these two braces. You can see. Yeah. So let's start writing our program which does the summation of three numbers. Okay, now you start writing your program. So the first statement would be scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. So in. So this one is this class, scanner class, we use generally to read the data from the user into the Java program. So the next statement is uh, here this is the prompt where the program will ask the user to input the first number. So this is the statement, and then that particular number is stored in a variable called a, the next line, which says int a equal to ac dot next int. So this is the place where the user input is stored into a variable called integer a. Likewise we are going to read the second and third number from the user into the program. So enter the second number and that will be stored in b. So the statement is int b equal to ac dot next int, and then we have the third number entered by the user. So all these things you can see when we actually run the program. So there the program will ask the user to input the data, and the user keeps entering the data and he can finally see the result. So to do that, we are going to write those instructions in the program. So the third number, this is the prompt, and then it will be read into a variable called c, and we are mentioning a integer called k, and that will store all the summation of a plus b plus c. And then finally we will have a additional, so this statement called system.out.println, we are going to create an additional space to display the sum in a new line with some gap. And finally we are going to print out the statement saying that this is the total is with the value k, and that's it. Let's save the program by clicking file and then save, and now we're all set to run the program. All this is done on a mobile smartphone on which a Java IDE is installed. So let's run the program. Click the play button on the top menu. So here we see the program has executed, compiled successfully, and now the program is asking the user to enter the first number. Let's take the first number as 11 and click enter, and it asks the second number to be entered by the user. Let's take some random number 23 and then enter. and the final and third number, which should be entered by the user, let's say 45, and then enter, and you can see the program has displayed the total is 79. So this is a way of creating your Java program on a smartphone. Thanks for watching.